Have you got multiple branches countrywide that you may be concerned or uncertain about how that branch can get connected? How that branch can be a functional part of your business and connected in real time to your back office accounting system? Let me tell you of two examples that we've commissioned in the last 30 days. One is a clothing retailer with approximately 60 branches. They've got those 60 branches in every corner of the country. Some connected to solar systems, they're so remote. But with Starlink, we've delivered high-speed, reliable, cost-effective connectivity very quickly and very effectively. The second is a animal feeds retailer and manufacturer. They've got currently 25 branches. Soon, in the next 30 to 60 days, that'll be 50 branches. We've connected those 25 branches again to Starlink in the matter of 2 weeks. Those connections are not only reliable, they're also secure. In the second example of the animal feeds manufacturer, not only have we delivered Starlink services, but we've also delivered a cloud environment where their back office accounting system is now sitting in the Frampol data center, talking at high speed with very little delay to those Starlinks at those very remote branches. Not only do organizations want high-speed, reliable connectivity, but they also want that connectivity to be secure. And this is something that we're talking about at Frampol, and that is the get connected, get protected, get Frampol, is that our connectivity solutions also need to be, and we deliver, secure connections. And that is a connection that's firewalled, that's a connection that's monitored, and those are devices at your branches which are protected by a solid cybersecurity solution. That way, you've got high-speed, reliable, secure comms that provide you with peace of mind that you can deliver services in the most remote parts of the country. And that's really the message that we felt we wanted to share, because your success is our success. And there are unserved parts of the country where your services are needed. Now, with our product offering, we can deliver those. It's as simple as a 15, 20-minute meeting at Frampol's offices with the Frampol team and myself, where we will talk through your unique use case and propose a solution that we can implement in hours/days. No need for long, protracted timelines or infrastructure installations. We can install in any corner of the country within 24 hours and get that branch connected. Get that branch reliably connected and securely connected so you can serve your customers and focus on your core business. Contact us when you're ready. We're here to serve you.